Hello, welcome to English with Zain. In this video, we are going to learn about movement. Let's begin. So I have a verb down here, jump, jump, jump. Can you find jump? Which number is jump? It's number 7. Okay, let's continue. Next verb we have dance, dance. Which one is dance? Number 5 is dance. Okay, next walk, walk, walk. Which one is walk? Number 1, yes. And the next one is swim, swim. It's very easy. Swim is number 2. Next is run, run, run. Run is number 4. Alright. And we have jog, jog, jog. Jog is of course, number 8. Next, fall, fall, fall. Fall is number 6. Okay, and climb, climb, climb. Climb is number 3. Alright, that's all for the movement without transportation. Okay, now we continue with the transportation. Okay, so I'm going to show you a picture here. And can you please guess the name of the transportation? Let's start. The first one is it's a car, car. And the second picture is it's a bus, bus. Continue. What is that? That's a train. Very good, train. Next picture is it's a truck, truck, truck. Okay. And this one, it's a plane, plane, or airplane, plane. How about this one? It's a ship, ship, ship. Continue. Bike or bicycle, bike or bicycle. It's a taxi, taxi. Next picture. Motorcycle, motorcycle, motorcycle. So those are the names of the transportation. Now we are going to talk about the verbs we can use when we use the transportation. Okay, the first one, this is actually from the previous lesson. You go by. You can use go by for all kinds of transportation. Bike, motorcycle, car, taxi, bus, train, ship, plane. The example is, I go to school by motorcycle. I go to school by motorcycle. You can replace the motorcycle with something else, like I go to school by car. I go to school by bike. Okay, and you don't need to mention right? So it's not I go to school by a motorcycle. Just eliminate the no need to mention the And the next one, it actually has the same meaning. You take a, but you can only use you take a for taxi, bus, train, and plane. So I usually take a bus to school. Take a bus. So when we use take, we need to add a before the transportation name. So both of these verbs mean naik. Saya pergi ke sekolah naik motor. Saya biasanya naik bis ke sekolah. Next verbs we have you ride a. You ride a. You ride a bike, you ride a motorcycle, you ride a horse. We also add a to the verb ride. I ride a horse to school. I ride a motorcycle to school. The next is drive a. So drive a car, drive a taxi, drive a bus, drive a truck. For example, I drive a truck to the mall. I drive a taxi. I am a taxi driver. So I drive a taxi. Ride artinya mengendarai, jadi mengendarai sepeda, mengendarai motor, mengendarai kuda. Sementara drive artinya menyetir, menyetir mobil, menyetir taksi, menyetir bis, menyetir truk. So far we have go by, take, ride, and drive. Let's continue to the next verbs. If you catch the bus, train, or plane, you arrive in time to get it. Catch the bus. Mungkin bahasa Indonesia yang tepat mengejar ya untuk konteks ini. Saya mengejar bis ke Bekasi. Jadi saya gunakan catch karena saya nggak mau ketinggalan. And the next one is, if you miss the bus, train, plane, you arrive too late to get it. If you miss, kalau kamu ketinggalan, miss itu ketinggalan. Kalau catch itu berusaha mengejar supaya nggak ketinggalan, miss itu ketinggalan. It's too late. Kamu tiba, bisnya sudah berangkat. Lanjut. You arrive in or at a place. For example, the plane arrives in Pangkal Pinang at noon. Arrive artinya tiba. Sementara kita pakai preposition in karena Pangkal Pinang adalah nama daerah atau nama kota. Nama negara, nama kota, daerah kita pakai in. The next example. The plane arrives at Depati Amir Airport at noon. Pesawatnya tiba di Bandara Depati Amir siang hari. And we use at in this example karena at itu digunakan untuk tempat yang lebih spesifik. So those are the verbs related to taking transportation. And the next topic is about moving objects. So in this slide, we are going to learn the verbs push, pull, pass, pick up, and carry. Now look at the picture. Up here we have pull and push. Pull artinya menarik. Push artinya mendorong. Jangan sampai salah karena nanti takutnya pintunya bisa rusak kalau kita salah. Harusnya ditarik malah didorong. Next, pass. The example is please pass the salt. Jadi kita gunakan pass itu untuk menginstruksikan orang lain untuk mengambilkan sesuatu yang jaraknya lebih dekat ke orang tersebut daripada ke kita. Please pass the salt. Karena lihat di gambarnya di situ, garamnya jaraknya lebih dekat ke orang yang satunya lagi. And now look at the last picture down there. The man says, "Can I help you carry your luggage?" Bisakah saya membantumu membawakan luggage? Luggage artinya barang bawaan yang kita bawa ketika bepergian ya. Bisa berupa koper atau tas. Luggage. Nah, karena barang bawaan si ibu-ibu ini berat, pasti nanti ibu-ibu ini akan taruh dulu di lantai. Ketika ditaruh di lantai, si laki-laki ini akan mengangkat barang tersebut. Nah, proses mengangkat itu disebut pick up. Ketika sudah diangkat, kemudian dibawa, dipindahkan ke tempat lain, nah itu yang disebut dengan carry. Berarti carry itu membawa dengan cara mengangkat. Jadi dipindahkan dari satu titik ke titik yang lain. And that's all for the lesson today. And don't forget that all lessons in this basic English vocabulary course have practice. So please check the description. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.